Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. So let's dive right into it. So before you create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone, you need to first of all have a Gmail account. First of all, open your YouTube app. Tap on it like this. Once it loads up, it's going to show you something like this little circle. Then you're going to click on it and sign in your Gmail account. After signing in your Gmail account, you're going to click on there again. It's going to take you over here. Then you're going to click on create a channel. Once it loads up, you're going to see how you will appear. So on that place, for you to create your channel, you're going to upload a profile picture. You can always change it at any time. So what you do now is to click on that camera icon. Either you take a photo or you upload from your gallery. Right now, I'm going to select a fine picture. I'm going to adjust it, or you can rotate or crop it if the picture is too big. What you do next is to click on save as profile picture. So after that, what you do next is to edit your channel name. If you don't like the channel name that they provided for you, what you do next is to click on this pencil icon and edit it, okay, and put in your own name. So after inputting your channel name, what you do next is to click on save. But for me, I'm not going to change my channel name. I like it this way. And the next thing is to create a channel handle. Click on edit button to edit your channel handle. So after that, what you do next is to click on save. So on the process of saving it, and you see something like this channel has been taken, what you do is to take the suggested one they brought out, or you can add a symbol or a number beside your name. But for me, I'm going to use this one. So now click on save. After that, the next thing I will do here is to click on this create channel. When it loads up, you're going to see our new channel page. Right now our channel has been created. So what you do next is to click on this place your picture is. So after that, what we do now is to go to our channel setting to set the necessary things. Okay, click on this view channel. So when it loads up, you're going to see this pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon and you're going to see channel settings. And this place right now, you can see your profile picture. Beside it is a place where you can upload your channel banner. I also have a video on how you can create your YouTube banner and also how you can upload your YouTube banner in 2 ways. So right now I'm going to go ahead to description. What they mean by description is what your channel is about or what you want to be publishing on your channel. So right now I'm going to type in what my channel will be. Now, if your own channel is about cooking, tell your subscriber or those people who are going to visit your channel that your channel is going to be about cooking or comedy or movie or telling story. Just tell them what your channel is going to be about. Now click on save. With that, your YouTube channel is set. All you need to do now is to start uploading your video on your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.